Presido Buhari don tok say electricity na number one for im administration. The Buhari administration and the Siemens Energy for 2019 sign an implementation agreement wey go help improve the quantity of electricity supply for Naija, and this one go help sustain the economic growth and development for the country. This agreement wey dey in 3 phases, and Naija overall capacity suppose rise to 25,000 megawatts for the final phase. Abubakar Liu, wey be the Minister of Power, come tok say the Siemens Energy team dey on ground to help the technical aspect of the electricity for Naija.
The Siemens Energy team is already on ground and are fast-tracking the efforts to close out on the technical and commercial issues. For instance, the need to ensure there is alignment on turnkey frameworks, faster delivery periods of brownfield substations upgrades, loose distribution transformers, and local technical standards for project execution. We believe this is the right approach that will get us across the line in good time.
Dr. Christian Bruch, wey be the Presido and CEO of the Siemens Energy, come tok say dem dey committed to rebuild the energy for Naija.
I just would like once again to reconfirm our commitment to the plan, to the initiative, and to the country to push in the next couple of weeks and months really as much forward as is still possible to make sure that we can really build this backbone of the energy system.
Buhari, wey be the Presido for Naija, come tok say the power initiative na the priority of im administration, and e come tok say e believe say the Siemens Energy brand go deliver. E come tok say the partnership with the Siemens Energy go end for December 2022.
The Presidential Power Initiative remains a priority project for our administration, and Nigerians believe in the value that the Siemens brand can deliver. However, what I like to see is that we attain completion of the entire transaction process by December 2022. This will entrench the mandate of the Presidential Power Initiative in full committal terms. On our part, nothing is spared to ensure we improve the lives and livelihoods of our citizens.
Buhari Council tok say make the Siemens Energy no fail Naija people in giving them good power. E Council tok say this initiative go provide ogbonge business opportunities for young people for Naija.
I therefore urge Siemens not to relent in ensuring that our commitment to Nigerians in delivering the Presidential Power Initiative project is fulfilled. The outcome of this collaboration will deliver critical business enablers and opportunities to engage young enterprising Nigerians in various endeavors.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party on election day.